How's it going, everyone? Welcome to today's video, and it's a pretty big one for a couple reasons. Number one, I just want to say that we hit 2,000 subscribers, and actually at this moment we're at like 2,030. So I just want to say, thank you to all you guys for watching the videos, commenting, all that. I appreciate it. Definitely love seeing you guys comment, asking questions, or giving me advice, criticism, all that. And then also, I definitely appreciate you guys watching my videos. Yeah, they're just my videos. Yeah, there's nothing to really say about them, but I do appreciate all the views and all that. So thank you guys. And number two, I'm finally going to finish the wrap on the car. You guys remember I only did half the car? Well, now we're gonna do the other half. And before I start this, I just want to comment saying that comment on what I messed up last time and what I'm gonna do different this time. One of those things being what I used to wash the car. Now originally, the car soap stuff that I used, it has a wax in it, and even though after I washed the car with that, I did go over some areas with my simple green down there, which, is streak free, all that goodness, whatever. You could definitely tell where I did and didn't clean it, because on some areas the wrap isn't sticking and some of it's bubbled up. I can show you guys right now. As you can see, this side's kind of coming up. And you see right there, some of these corners, this kind of bubbled up a little. Some of these edges didn't stay stuck, especially on the other side, on the doors. This kind of comes up. So you can definitely tell where I did and didn't clean. So this time, I'm just gonna use literally just dish soap, just a little bit, just to clean the rest of it. And after I'm done wrapping it, I'm gonna grab my heat gun again, and I'm gonna go over all the pieces of vinyl with the heat gun to see if I can get those stuck back down. And if not that, then I'm just gonna tear them off, clean those areas with a simple green, and then I'll just re-wrap pieces for that area. So that is the one good thing about not doing a whole sheet, is I can just tear up whatever little section I want and just redo it. So that is the kind of one benefit for doing it this way. And I thought I just saw an area. Okay, but overall, I am happy with it, guys. It's been holding up, still looks great. I definitely get a lot of people staring at me, a lot more. This is a huge head turner now, which is pretty awesome. And then I think also today, I'm gonna take off my eyelids, and then I'm gonna rebuff and re-clear my headlights. Probably do that maybe later, but definitely gonna take off the eyelids because I'm not feeling those anymore. So I'm gonna take those off. But yeah, so we're gonna get to cleaning and then get to wrapping.
But not today, just stay.
She's all clean. That dish soap worked a lot better than I thought. I really like that. But so anyways, the one reason why I'm really excited to, wrap the rest of the car is, one, it's gonna look really good. It's gonna finally finish, you know, the whole thing. It'll be fully camoed. It's gonna look awesome. Another big reason is specifically my front bumper. You guys might not be able to see it now because it's wet, but this thing is plastered in rock chips and stuff like that. You know, this car is what, 13 years old, so it's definitely seen its fair share of highway mileage and all that, but there's just little black nicks everywhere. And I've always wanted to get the front bumper redone and fixed. Never got around to it, but now with this wrap, I'm gonna be able to hide all of that. Also, there's some like paint peeling right here on the sides, but yeah, it's just it's just fully just plastered, and it's never looked good. I've never liked it, and now I'll be able to fix it. So I do have to take like a plastic blade or whatever to get some more of these bugs off that washing it didn't get, but other than that, it's gonna look really good. I'll be able to, you know, cover up that, cover up all of this. You probably might still be able to see it through the wrap, you know, the different levels of it, but it won't be as noticeable. It'll be pretty well covered, so I'm pretty excited. I'm just gonna let this dry. Hopefully the rain holds off. I think it's supposed to start raining around 4-ish. It's like 2 o'clock right now, so I might try and speed up the process and help dry it a bit, but I'm just gonna let it air dry. Then I'm gonna take some simple green to get all of the edges, you know, around the hood, on the inside of it, inside the fenders, inside some of the bumper for when I tuck the wrap over, and we'll get started. This is probably gonna take me a 2-day process. I'll probably, today's Monday, I'm probably gonna work on it Monday and tomorrow. So this video will probably go up that Tuesday night, hopefully, you know, if everything goes to plan. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's gonna look really good. And then once I take those eyelets off and redo my headlights, oof, get a new grille. I wanna get just a fully black grille, but keep this emblem right here in the corner of it. I wanna do that. See some of the red's already coming off some of it, I think. Yeah, it's gonna look really good. Still got, once I do my front and side splitters, should be coming together and very nice. I think that came out. Oh, these did come out. What the hell? Huh. All right. So here's where we are at with the wrap right now. Got the hood all done and got the rest of this pillar right here done. As you can see, a lot of the areas have already bubbled up just from overnight. So after I'm done wrapping the whole thing, I gotta take a heat gun to everything, which I did on the rear. And there's still a couple areas that I have to take the heat gun to it again, because you can definitely see from here in between the door, these pieces aren't staying down. So I gotta just get a heat gun, reheat everything up, push it over the edges. I'm going to do that for all of this, but should work out. I mean, you can see right here, it's already bubbled up, so I gotta, like, you know, keep doing all that. But yeah, overall I'm happy with it. It's coming out pretty good. Definitely still imperfections here and there, but it's fine. It's really my first time doing this, and like I said, if anything, if I don't like a piece, I could just tear it up, relay something else. So the plan is to get this door and fender done, then I'll probably move on to the other, you know, the other side. And then I think this front bumper will be last, because this will definitely be the hardest with all the curves and all of that. I'm definitely gonna really have to take some time on the front bumper. So we'll get all the sides done, hopefully before I have to go to work tonight. If not, you know, at least one side done. I can worry about the other side, you know, later. So that's the plan. Let's get to it. Oh my God, stop raining. It's supposed to be like this, like every day for almost the next 2 weeks. Freaking ridiculous, man. Looks pretty good though. Well, here's a little update of where we're at. Got almost the whole door finished. Got pretty much the entire fender finished. Looking decent. Pretty happy with it so far. So yeah, it's got to fill up this little section, and then we're done with the driver's side. All right, guys. Finally, a few hours later, the car's done. She's done. I am extremely happy with how it came out. I'm gonna stop talking and I'll show you guys. Luckily, it's sunny out right now. The rain stopped, so what perfect time then to show off the wrap, let it sit outside. So here it is. Now there's definitely some imperfections, especially on the front bumper. It's a lot harder to wrap than I thought, so later on down the road, I'm probably gonna tear off like half of these to redo it. But I mean, from this far away, you can't really tell. You can only see when you get up close. Car is dirty. I haven't washed it in quite a bit, so I apologize for that, guys. But other than that, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like it. I certainly do. Definitely should have wrapped the whole car the first time, but you know, better late than never, right? So hope you guys liked that video. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.